What's up guys, Peyton here. Today, I got this in the mail. So, I'm gonna unbox it. Alright. See, we've got, whoa. We got our little thing there, give you a little look at the bait, so let's get into it. Woohoo. This looks cool. I'll say that right now. It looks really cool. Let's see how much it goes for. Oh, caught it. It goes for $14 in the market. So, it is called a Whopper Plopper. I can't get this damn thing open. There we go. Alright. This is called the Whopper Plopper. That looks like one neat bait. Well, let's see, what's the color? Blue Blood is what it's called. It says it's got armed with river to sea hook. It's got tungsten weight force system, and it's got a rattle. Ooh, it's got. This doesn't have a rattle. Bro, very silent rattle, but I'm guessing when you reel this thing in, this thing's supposed to move and spin. That's pretty cool. That's really cool. Alright, on to the next. Oh, this is not a bait. We just got some hooks here. They're called, I don't know how to pronounce it, bleeding bait hooks. Next, this is called stand-up fish head spin. Oh, that's a, whoa. I've never seen this before. So it's called a stand-up fish head spin. It's supposed to be like this. So that, I've got something similar to this, but it's really small. It's for like panfish. So I'm just gonna lay the baits out right here. Try and sting this guy up, can I? Nope. Hooks. Next, this is a soft plastic. It is called the Armored Craw. Goes for $4, and this thing right here, it is $6. So let me just take one out of the pack in here and show you guys. Oh, they stink. It's like in a green pumpkin color. Oh, they sure do stink. So there they are. Oh, the Armored Craw. They sure do look armored. I'm not even sure you're supposed to put this on, but so yeah, there's Armored Craw. Trench. Armored Craw. Next bait and last bait is. Oh, and these go. Oh, I already said that. $4. This is called the Wild Fang Lizzie. Goes $2.75 to $3.70 for a 4-pack. So get one out of here. Oh my gosh. This is a massive bait. Look at this. That is a big bait. Oh my god. It's longer than this bag. Literally longer than this bag. Oh my god. It's so big. It's almost double the size. Oh my god. Does it say how long these are? No. That is so long. My god. Never seen a bass bait that long. But that is it with the bait. Got a little tackle here. Mystery tackle box sticker. And it looks like it almost looks like they added more confetti. That's cool. I'll scratch off. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get something to scratch it off with. Okay, I got a little penny. So I'm gonna, let's see. It is called a Hoo-Rag bandana. My dad has one of those. They're really nice. So, scratch this off. Dude, I got 2 grubs right off the bat. 1 crankbait. Got a bobber. Another bobber. And a crawdad. Ah. I was so close. Look at this. Look at this. I got 2 grubs and 2 bobbers. So close. Well, that's gonna be it for the video today. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.